Good morning students. 12th standard business maths exercise number 3.2 sixth sum. The marginal cost function of your product is given by dc divided by dx equal to 100 minus 10x plus 0.1 x square, where x is the output. Apply the total and the average cost function of the firm under the assumption that its fixed cost is rupees 500. Here given marginal cost MC equal to dc divided by dx equal to 100 minus 10x plus 0.1 x square. We should find out cost function. We should find out cost equal to integral marginal cost into dx is the formula. Integral marginal cost into dx is the formula. We should substitute the marginal cost value integral 100 minus 10x plus 0.1 x square into dx. Now we integrate this value 100 integrate then 100x plus 10 is the constant, x integrate then what is the x square divided by 2 plus 0.1 x square integrate then x cube divided by 3 plus constant is a k we should take. Integrate to constant is a k. This is a cost function. Here fixed cost is given. Fixed cost is a 500. Also given fixed cost equal to rupees 500. That means fixed cost is what? K. K is a 500. We should substitute a k value. Cost function C equal to 100 minus x minus 10x square divided by 2 plus 0.1 x cube divided by 3 plus k value we know that 500. C equal to here 2 and 10 is cancelled 5 times. So cost function 100x minus 5x square plus 0.1 x cube divided by 3 plus 500. Next average cost we should find out. Average cost we should find out. Average cost AC equal to, we know that the formula C by X. Cost function divided by X, then we get a average cost. So cost function is what? 100x minus 5x square plus 0.1 x cube divided by 3 plus 500 whole divided by x. X divided by each and every one. X cancel 100 minus x and x square is cancel 5x plus 0.1 x cube and x is cancel x square divided by 3 plus 500 divided by x. This is the average cost. This is the cost function. This is the average cost. That's all. 8th sum. If the marginal cost function of x units of output is a divided by root of ax plus b, and if the cost of output is 0, find the total cost as a function of x. We should find out total cost. We should find out. Solution. Here given marginal cost equal to MC equal to a divided by root of ax plus b. So we should find out the cost function c equal to, we know that the formula integral marginal cost into dx is the formula. Marginal cost into dx. So cost function c equal to integral a divided by root of ax plus c, ax plus b into dx. Now a is a constant, take out a into integral 1 divided by root of ax plus b into dx. Now a integral 1 divided by root of ax plus b is, we should write ax plus b whole power 1 by 2. We know that x power root x equal to x power 1 by 2. That is equal to into dx equal to c, cos function c equal to a into integral ax plus b whole power 1 by 2, take numerator ax plus b whole power is change the sign, so minus 1 by 2 into dx. This is the total cost function c. So we should integrate, then we get the value c equal to a, integrate this terms of ax plus b whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by, it's integrate, then ax is given, so integrate then a into minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus k. K is the constant. C equal to a cancel, ax plus b whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is plus 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2 plus k. It's a reciprocal, then c equal to 2 into ax plus b whole power 1 by 2 plus k. Here given cost of output is 0. Also given cost of output is 0. So cost of output is what? C equal to 0 when x equal to 0. So we should substitute this c and x value from 1. So c equal to, c is what? 0. C is what? 0 equal to 2 into ax, a into 0 plus b whole power 1 by 2 plus k. So 0 equal to a into 0 is 0 to b power 1 by 2. 0 plus b is b power 1 by 2 plus k. So we should take left minus 2b whole power 1 by 2 equal to k. So we should 1 by power 1 by 2 is, we should write minus 2 root of b equal to k. B power 1 by 2 is the root of b. So we should substitute from 1 c equal to 2 into ax plus b whole power 1 by 2 plus k value, we know that minus 2 root of b. We should write as cos function c equal to 2 root of ax plus b whole power 1 by 2 is what? Root of ax plus b minus 2 root of b. We should take 2 is the common, 2 into root of ax plus b minus root of b. That's all the total cost function. Ninth sum. Determine the cost of producing 200 air conditioners if the marginal cost is per unit is c dash of x equal to x square divided by 200 plus 4. Given marginal cost equal to given c dash of x equal to x square divided by 200 plus 4 is given. So cost function we should find out. Cost function equal to integral marginal cost into dx, that is equal to integral marginal cost is, we know that, c dash of x into dx. So integral c dash of x is what? X square divided by 200 plus 4 into dx. Here unit is 0 to 200 air conditioner. 0 to 200. Starting is 0 up to 200 air conditioner is given. So limit is 0 to 200. So we should integrate this cost function. C equal to x square integrate then x cube divided by 200 into x cube divided by 3 integrate then x square integrate then plus 4 into 4 integrate then what is the 4x. Its limit is 0 to 200. Cost function equal to x cube divided by 2 3s are 600 plus 4x, limit is 0 to 200. Substitute the limit. Cost function c equal to 200 cube. See, x cube is what? 200 cube divided by 600 plus 4 into 200. 0 substitute then minus second limit is 0. C equal to 200 is 200 whole cube is 200 into 200 whole square divided by 600 plus 4 2s are 800 equal to 2020 cancel, 2 and 6 is cancel 3 times. 200 whole square is 40,000 divided by 3 plus 800. So we should divide then, we get 13,333.33 plus 800. You should add then 14,133.33. Cost equal to rupees 14,133.33 rupees. So here the cost of producing, hence cost of producing 200 air conditioners is rupees 14,133.33 rupees. That's all. 11th sum. if the marginal revenue function for the commodity is MR equal to 9 minus 4x square, find the demand function. Given marginal revenue equal to 9 minus 4x square. We know that marginal revenue is the formula MR equal to DR divided by DX is the formula. So substitute here DR divided by dx equal to 9 minus 4x square. Now dx we should cross multiple here. dr equal to 9 minus 4x square into dx. Now integrate on both sides. Integral dr equal to integral 9 minus 4x square into dx. Integral dr is of r. Integrate then 9 integrate then 9x minus 4x square integrate then 4 into x square integrate then x cube divided by 3 plus constant is of k. Here revenue equal to when r equal to 0 revenue is 0 and x is also 0. So substitute here r equal to 9x minus r value is what? 0. 9 into x value 0 minus 4 into 0 cube divided by 3 plus k. Now 0 equal to 9 into 0 0, 4 into 0 0 cube is what? 0. 0 plus k. Therefore k equal to what is 0. So substitute k value from 1 k value we should substitute, then r equal to 9x minus 4x cube divided by 3 plus k value is 0. So r equal to revenue function 9x minus 4x cube divided by 3. We should find out the demand function. We should find out demand function. Find out, then we know that the one of the formula r equal to revenue function r equal to px. So demand function into x. P is the demand function. So r we know that 9x minus 4x cube divided by 3 equal to px. Now take x is the common. So x into 9 minus 4x cube divided by 3 equal to px. So x cancel. So p equal to 9 minus 4x cube divided by 3. Therefore the demand function is 9 minus 4x cube divided by 3. That's all. 13th sum. A firm's marginal revenue function is MR equal to 20 e power minus x by 10 into 1 minus x by 10. Find the corresponding demand function. Given marginal revenue is given MR equal to 20 e power minus x by 10 into 1 minus x divided by 10. We know the formula dr divided by dx. Marginal revenue function is the formula dr divided by dx. 20 e power minus x divided by 10 into 1 minus x divided by 10. Dx we should take right hand side. Dr equal to 20 e power minus x by 10 into 1 minus x by 10 into dx. Now integrate on both sides. Integral dr equal to integral 20 e power minus x by 10 into 1 minus x divided by 10 into dx. Now integrate dr is what? R, revenue function. R equal to 20 is the constant, take out integral e power minus x divided by 10. 1 minus x by 10 is we should write a minus x by 10 plus 1 into dx. Now we know that the formula, we know that formula is a integral e power ax into a into f of x plus f dash of x into dx equal to, formula is e power ax into f of x plus k is the formula, k is the constant. So we should substitute this value e power ax. A is here a equal to minus 1 by 10, minus 1 divided by 10. Next f of x equal to, f of x is my x, f of x is x minus ax means a is a into x is what, minus x by 10. Next it's differentiate, then f dash of x is 1. So we should substitute this formula, e power or equal to 20 into, it's integral e power minus x by 10 minus x by 10 plus 1 into dx. Its formula is e power ax into f of x plus k. E power ax, e power ax is what, a is minus 1 by 10 into x value, x is a multiple, then what is the minus x by 10, minus x divided by 10. F of x is a x into x. Next plus k, plus k. So we should write r, revenue function r equal to 20 into x into e power minus x by 10 plus k. So we should when r equal to 0, revenue function equal to 0 and x equal to 0, we should substitute this value here. 0 equal to 20 into x into anything is what, 0 plus k. Therefore k equal to what is 0, k is 0. We should substitute from 1, r value is revenue r equal to 20 x e power minus x divided by 10 plus k value is what, 0. We should multiply r equal to 20 x e power minus x divided by 10. We know that formula is r is what, demand function into x. R formula, r is, we know that the formula r equal to px, demand function into x. Px equal to 20 x e power minus x divided by 10. X cancel, p equal to 20 e power minus x divided by 10. Therefore this is a demand function. The demand function is p equal to 20 e power minus x divided by 10. That's all. 14 sum, the marginal cost of production of a firm is given by c dash of x equal to 5 plus 0.13x. The marginal revenue is given by r dash of x equal to 18 and the fixed cost is rupees 120. Find the profit function. Given c dash of x equal to 5 plus 0.13x. Here fixed cost is equal to 120. R dash of x equal to 18. R dash of x is 18. First one, cost function we should find out. C dash of x equal to 5 plus 0.13x. So c dash of x, we know that dc divided by dx equal to 5 plus 0.13 into x. Dx we should take right hand side. dc equal to 5 plus 0.13 x into dx. Integrate on both sides. Integral dc equal to integral 5 plus 0.13 x into dx. Integral dc is what? C cos function. C equal to 5 integrate then 5x plus 0.13 is a constant. X integrate then x square divided by 2 plus constant is a k1 we should take. Here k1 is a fixed cost, that is a 120. So we should take. So substitute here. C equal to 5x plus 0.13 x square divided by 2 plus k1 value 120. This is the equation number 1. Next, r dash of x is given equal to 18. So r dash of x is, we know that formula, dr divided by dx equal to 18. dr equal to 18 into dx. Now integrate on both sides. Integral dr equal to integral 18 into dx. Integral dr integrate then r 18 integral 18 into dx. 18 is a constant. Integral dx is x, we know that, plus k2, constant is a k2. So here when r equal to 0 and x equal to 0, revenue and x values is what? 0 here. R is 0, then 0 equal to 18 into 0 plus k2. Therefore k2 is a 0, equal to 18 into 0 is 0. So k2 equal to 0. Therefore k2 equal to 0. Substitute in r equal to 18x. This is the equation number 2. It's a cost function. Another one is a revenue function. Profit function. P equal to, formula is a revenue function r minus cost function c. R minus c is the formula. So P equal to, r is a 18x minus c is a 5x plus 0.13 x square divided by 2 plus 120 equal to 18x minus, plus into minus is minus 5x, minus into plus is a minus 0.13 x square divided by 2, minus into plus is a minus 120. 18x minus 5x is a 13x minus 0.13 x square divided by 2 minus 120. This is a profit function. That's all. Profit function P of x equal to 13x minus 0. It's a divide by 2, then 0.065 x square minus 120. 15 sum. If the marginal revenue function is r dash of x equal to 1500 minus 4x minus 3x square, find the revenue function and the average revenue function. Solution given, r dash of x equal to 1500 minus 4x minus 3x square. We know that r dash of x is a dr divided by dx equal to 1500 minus 4x minus 3x square. So dx we should take right hand side. dr equal to 1500 minus 4x minus 3x square into dx. Integrate on both sides. Integral dr equal to integral 1500 minus 4x minus 3x square into dx. Now integrate both sides. Integral dr is r revenue function. This is a integral 1500. Integrate then 1500 x minus 4 into x integrate then x square divided by 2 minus 3 x square integrate then x cube divided by 3 plus constant is a k. When r equal to 0 and x equal to 0, then k is also 0. r is 0. All the terms having x terms, so 0 substitute 0. So k also 0. K equal to 0. So revenue function r equal to 1500 x 2 cancel, 2 times 3 cancel. So minus 2x square minus x cube plus k is 0. Therefore r equal to revenue function r equal to 1500x minus 2x square minus x cube is the revenue function. Next we should find out average revenue function. r equal to r divided by x is the formula, average revenue function. So ar equal to average revenue function equal to r value we know that 1500x minus 2x square minus x cube divided by x. Average revenue equal to 1500x divided by x is x cancel, 1500 minus x square x cancel, 2x minus x cube x cancel, x square. So average revenue function is 1500 minus 2x minus x square. That's all. Question number 17. The marginal cost function of a commodity given by marginal cost is equal to 14,000 divided by root of 7x plus 4 and the fixed cost rupees 18,000. Find the total cost and average cost. Total cost and average cost we should find out. Solution: given marginal cost equal to 14,000 divided by root of 7x plus 4. Marginal cost we know that the formula dc divided by dx equal to 14,000 divided by root of 7x plus 4. dx we should take right hand side. dc equal to 14,000 divided by root of 7x plus 4 into dx. Now integrate on both sides. Integral dc equal to integral 14,000 divided by root of 7x plus 4 into dx. Integrate then c equal to integral dc is c. 14,000 is a constant, take out 14,000 integral root of 7x plus 4 is we should write 7x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 into dx. We know that the formula 1 divided by root of x equal to x power minus 1 by 2. So apply this formula here. Now integrate c equal to 14,000 integrate then 7x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by ax plus b formula. So a into, so 7 into, a is what is 7 into n plus 1, so minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus k. C equal to 14,000 into 7x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2 divided by 7 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2 plus k. C equal to cos function 14,000 7 by 2, it's a 7 into 1 is a 7, 7 by 2, it's a reciprocal, then 2 divided by 7 into 7x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus k. 7 and 14 is cancelled 2 times, so 2000. Cos function C equal to 2 to the 4, 4000 into 7x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus k. Cos function C equal to 4000. 7x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 is, we should write a root of 7x plus 4 plus k. So we should substitute when x equal to 0, here given when x equal to 0, C equal to fixed cost is given 18,000. C is 18,000. We should write C equal to 18,000. Substitute here 18,000 equal to 4,000 root of 7 into 0. X is 0. 7 into 0 is what? 0 plus 4 plus k. 18,000 equal to 4,000 root of 4 is 0 plus 4 is 4. Root of 4 is what? 2 plus k. 18,000 equal to 4 to the 8. 8,000 plus k. We should take 8,000 as the left hand side. 18,000 minus 8,000 equal to k. So subtract then 10,000 equal to k. Substitute k value there. This is the equation number 1 now. From 1 substitute k value. C equal to, from 1, C equal to 4,000 root of 7x plus 4 plus k value is 10,000. So this is a cost function. Next, average cost function. Average cost function equal to C by x. Cost function divided by x is the formula. So cost function we know that 4,000 root of 7x plus 4 plus 10,000 divided by x. Divide then 4,000 root of 7x plus 4 divided by x plus 10,000 divided by x. This is the average cost function. 18 sum. If the marginal cost of a production of the company is directly proportional to the number of units x produced, find the total cost function when the fixed cost is rupees 5,000 and the cost of producing 50 units is rupees 5,625. Solution: marginal cost MC equal to dc divided by dx is directly proportional to x. directly proportional to x is given, unit x. Then dc divided by dx equal to kx, constant multiple, then it's a any one constant multiple, then it is equal to its marginal cost. So dc equal to kx into dx. Integrate on both sides. Integral dc equal to integral kx into dx. Now integrator, integral dc is what? C. Integral kx dx, k is the constant, x integrate, then x square divided by 2 plus k1. Constant is what? K1 we should take. This is the equation number 1. Here fixed cost is rupees 5000. So when x equal to 0, x is what? 0, then cost is what? Fixed cost is 5000. We should substitute from 1. C is 5000 equal to k into x square value is what? 0 square divided by 2 plus k1. So 5000 equal to, it's a 0 plus k1. Therefore k1 equal to 5000. From 1 substitute this value. Cost function c equal to k into x square divided by 2, x square divided by 2 plus k1 is what? 5000. This is the equation number 2. Now we should find out k value now. Why? Where the cost of producing 50 units, when x equal to what is the x equal to 50 and what is the units is rupees 5625. So c is 5625. X is 50, then c is what? 5625. So substitute in the second equation. C is what? 5625 equal to k into x value 50. So 50 square divided by 2 plus 5000. So 5000 take left. 5625 minus 5000 equal to k into 50 into 50 divided by 2. So it's take left hand side. It's subtract, then 5625 minus 5000 is what? 625 into, it's take left side 2 divided by 50 into 50. It's multiple this side. We should take a left hand side. What is that? It's a reciprocal equal to k. 5 table. It's a 50 is a 2 table 1 time 25 times 25 and 625 is 25 times. 25 into 25 is what? 625. Next 25 1 time, here 2 times. Therefore 1 by 2 equal to k. That implies k equal to 1 by 2. Now substitute from 2. C equal to k value, we know that what is the 1 by 2? 1 by 2 into x square divided by 2 plus 5000. C equal to x square divided by 4. 2 2s are 4. 1 into x square is x square divided by 2 2s are 4 plus 5000. That's all. This is the cost function. Question number 20. If MR equal to marginal revenue equal to 14 minus 6x plus 9x square, find the demand function. Solution. Given marginal revenue MR equal to 14 minus 6x plus 9x square. We know the formula marginal revenue is equal to dr divided by dx equal to 14 minus 6x plus 9x square. Now cross multiply here. dr equal to 14 minus 6x plus 9x square into dx. Now integrate on both sides. Integral dr equal to integral 14 minus 6x plus 9x square into dx. Now integrate. Integral dr is what? R equal to 14 integrate then 14x minus 6 into x integrate then x square divided by 2 plus 9 into x square integrate then x cube divided by 3 plus constant is a k. So 2 and 6 is cancelled 3 times, so 3 and 9 is cancelled 3 times. So r equal to 14x minus 3x square plus 3x cube plus k, when revenue r equal to 0 and x also 0. Then what is all the terms are x 0, r also 0. So therefore k equal to price k equal to what is 0. So revenue function r equal to 14x minus 3x square plus 3x cube plus k is what? 0. Therefore revenue function r equal to 14x minus 3x square plus 3x cube. Next we should find out a demand function. Demand function P equal to r divided by x is the formula. P equal to r divided by x. We know that what is the r equal to px. Revenue function is equal to demand function into x. So x we should take left, then p equal to r by x. So that is equal to r is what? 14x minus 3x square plus 3x cube whole divided by x. Now divide then 14 x cancel 14 minus x square x cancel 3x x cube is cancelled plus 3x square. P is the demand function. P equal to 14 minus 3x plus 3x square. That's all.